void they gazed. Whispers soft, realities they glazed. Promises of power, a gilded cage. Humanity divided, a turning page. Cosmic lords, their reign untrue. We are the stars, the sky, the dew. Not lesser beings, subservient and few. Our spirits rise, a vibrant hue. Twisted tales of origins unknown. Seeds of discord, carefully sown. Control and fear, a heavy throne. But truth remains, we've always known. Cosmic lords, their reign untrue. We are the stars, the sky, the dew. Not lesser beings, subservient and few. Our spirits rise, a vibrant hue. Through swirling mists and cosmic rays, we break the chains of bygone days. Our rightful place in life's bright maze, no longer bound in their hazy gaze.